Welcome to our BuySmart Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Twin Tub Washer and the Folding 13L Mini Washer. Whether you're living in an apartment, traveling in an RV, or just need a compact laundry solution, we've got you covered. Let's see how these two machines stack up against each other in terms of functionality, size, and capacity. The Giantex Twin Tub Washer offers a powerful washing experience with its dual tub design, allowing for effective washing and spinning of larger loads. With a capacity of up to 12 pounds and a powerful 300W motor, it provides a cleaning performance close to that of a standard compact washer. In contrast, the DXJJ Folding Mini Washer is designed for ultra portability and gentle cleaning, making it perfect for delicate items like baby clothes and underwear. However, it lacks a true spin cycle, which means clothes will still be wet after washing. When it comes to size, the Giantex Twin Tub is moderately portable, but does take up more space due to its larger dimensions. It is not as easy to store as the DXJJ Folding Mini Washer, which can fold flat and weighs only 4.17 pounds. This makes the DXJJ an excellent choice for those with limited space or for travelers who need a lightweight solution. In terms of capacity, the Giantex Twin Tub Washer can handle up to 12 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for regular household use. On the other hand, the DXJJ Folding Mini Washer is limited to a capacity of 10 liters, which is approximately 2 pounds. This makes it ideal for small items, but not practical for larger loads. In conclusion, the choice between the Giantex Portable Mini Twin Tub Washer and the DXJJ Folding Mini Washer ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a robust solution for larger loads and effective drying, the Giantex is the way to go. However, if portability and gentle cleaning for small items are your priorities, the DXJJ is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.